Hello people and welcome back to Code on DashCam channel, a channel that brings you some of the most exciting and epic moments caught on driver's dashcam. From close calls to road rage, you name it, we have it. All the clips shared in this video are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll find them useful. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this episode. In our first video, we had some careless pedestrians with a stroller who crossed the road at no crosswalk. This is really dangerous, especially in the given situation where the traffic was really dense. Check out what happened next. Some drivers need to be reminded that they have indicators on their vehicles, but not only that, someone needs to tell them that indicators play a huge role in a successful lane change. In this video, we have two crazy pedestrians who crossed the road at no crosswalk. But that's not even the worst part. These two were acting so self-entitled, almost as if they expect that everyone needs to stop for them. Just like turn signals, your side mirrors play an important role in driving. Every driver needs to check their side mirrors more frequently, especially in dense traffic. Cameron was feeling tired behind the wheels and he got way too close to the road fence. Luckily, he didn't hit it, but being sleepy behind the wheels can be dangerous for everyone. BMW driver on the camera's left side was really impatient. He tried to force his way in front of the camera on 2 occasions, but the camera was having none of that. Check out this crazy road rage.
No problem. No. No, we good. Okay, somebody give me money. No, somebody give me money, and they said, say it. No. So I said it on the train.
You say it? Yeah.
Because somebody give me money.
Somebody?
You know, donation.
So who?
Somebody on YouTube and Twitch.
At least 6 months. So he thinks that F-16s will be in Ukraine by early next year. They could be flying above the battlefield by next spring. Jim? All right, Alex Barkler, thank you very much. Very much for that. You'll be able to see much more of Alex's exclusive TV interview with Ukraine's defense minister throughout the day tomorrow, right here on CNN. New tonight.
With this clip, we conclude another epic episode on SlowAndSteady channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because that will mean a lot. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.